Good evening, students. As we have finished the chapter motion, now we shall deal with some NCERT questions. Let's see the first question. The displacement of a moving object in a given interval of time is 0. Would the distance travelled by the object also be 0? The displacement of moving object is 0. Would the distance travelled by the object also be 0? Justify your answer. Now let us illustrate an example. Consider that a body moves from A to B and then it returns back to initial position A. In this situation, the displacement of the body is 0 because initial position and final position of the body coincide. But the distance travelled by the body is not 0. The body covers a distance equal to AB plus BA. So, when the displacement of a body is 0, it is not necessary that the distance travelled by the body also be 0. For example, take another example. If a body moves along a circular path of radius r and completes one round, then the displacement of the body will be 0, but the distance travelled by the body will not be 0. It will be equal to the circumference of the circular path. So it is not necessary that if the displacement of a body is 0, the distance travelled by the body be also 0. Let us take another question. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have 0 displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. We will take this example again. When the body moves from A to B and returns back to the initial position A, its displacement is 0, but the distance travelled by the body is not 0. So if an object has moved through a certain distance, it can have 0 displacement when it returns back to its initial position. In this situation, the distance travelled by the body is non-zero, but the displacement of the body is 0. Now let us take the third problem. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? Let us take this problem. consider that this is the square field under question. The side of the field is 10 meter. He completes one round in 40 seconds. So time for one round is equal to 40 seconds. Now he moved for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Therefore, total time taken is equal to 2 minutes plus 20 seconds, that is 120, that is 140 seconds. Now we can calculate the number of rounds taken by him. Number of rounds is equal to total time over time for one round, that is 140 over 40, that is 7/2 or 3.5. So in 2 minutes and 20 seconds, he completes 3.5 rounds. Now consider that the starting point of the former is A. Let us start. 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, and after completing 3.5 round, the final position of the farmer will be C. So let us join A to C. We get displacement. From this diagram, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, that is or AC is equal to 200, or AC is equal to 2 into 100, or AC is equal to 10 into root 2. So the displacement after 2 minutes and 20 seconds will be 10 root 2. Now student, you try to solve the questions given in the NCERT textbook, and in the next video we shall discuss more problems from NCERT textbook. Thank you.